question says a candle is burning at a constant rate. It has burned 12 millimeters in 20 minutes. How many millimeters has the candle burned after 50 minutes? So we need to take 20 minutes divided by 12 to find out what the rate is. The easiest way to do that is to set it up as a fraction of 20 over 12, which then equals 1 and 8/12. And we could simplify that to 1 and 2/3. Now, knowing that we have a rate of 1 and 2/3 millimeters per minute. So this is a per minute. Okay, that's per minute. So we need to take our 50 minutes and multiply it times 1 and 2/3. Well, that looks like a complex problem, but it's really not. The easiest way to do this is to put 50 over 1 and multiply it times, well, we need to get rid of the mixed number and make it into an improper fraction. So we need to take our 1 times our 3 and add it to our 2. So 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and our denominator doesn't change. The next thing we would do is multiply straight across. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25. So I would add a 0 because it's 50 times 5, not 5 times 5. And I know that 1 times 3 is 3. So now I have a problem that is basically 250 divided by 3. So let's do that. 250 divided by 3. Well, 3 cannot go into 2, so we need to move over to the 5. How many times does 3 go into 25? I know that 3 times 8 is 24, so we need to subtract now. So that leaves me with 1. Drop down the 0. And I know that 3 can go into 10 how many times? Well, it can go in 3 times, because 3 times 3 is 9. Oops. So I need to subtract, which is going to be 10 minus 9, which is 1. Okay, so I have a remainder of 1. The easiest way to deal with the remainder is to say what it is 1, and we were dividing by 3. So our answer is 83 1/3 millimeters. That's an